Can you open a Tangerine Bank Savings Account without opening a checking account? The short answer is yes. You are not required to open a daily checking account in order to sign up for a savings account with Tangerine. Tangerine operates as a digital bank where individual product applications are independent. You can apply directly for a Tangerine Savings Account, a tax-free savings account, or a registered retirement savings plan without adding a checking product to your profile. However, because Tangerine is an online-only bank with no traditional physical branches for everyday cash handling, you do need a mechanism to move your money in and out of the institution. To fund your standalone savings account or withdraw from it, you must link an external bank account from another traditional financial institution. Once an external account is successfully linked, you can transfer funds electronically between your external bank and your Tangerine savings profile. While having a Tangerine checking account can make day-to-day transactions, bill payments, and e-transfers more streamlined within the same ecosystem, it remains completely optional. If your goal is strictly to utilize Tangerine for holding funds and earning interest without day-to-day transaction features, you can proceed with just a savings account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.